Applying decals to a plastic model airplane. To apply decals to a plastic model airplane, you will need decals setting solution, scissors, a brush, tissue paper, and water. Pre-cut the decals using scissors or a hobby knife. One at a time, dip a decal in water for a few seconds until you feel the decal move slightly from the backing paper. Using a brush, apply some setting solution to the area of the model where you are planning to put the decal. Slide off the decal from the backing paper as you position it on the model. Using a brush, apply more setting solution on top of the decal. Be very careful not to move it while you apply it. Allow the decal to dry. Carefully remove excess setting solution and water from the surface of the model using a tissue paper. If the surface has many irregularities, like panel lines, you may need to add additional applications of setting solution. If you see bubbles appear on the decal, you can pick them with a needle or with the point of a hobby knife, and then apply setting solution with a brush until the bubble is flattened. Your model is now ready to showcase.